can say my weaknesses would be I'm introvert person. But again, even I'm introvert, I am willing to learn, I am teachable and coachable. And for my strength, of course, I'm a team player person. I can help each department if they need something to me, or if you need me, I can be there to help you immediately. So if you notice, yung sinabi ko dong weaknesses ko is introvert. Although you know naman, hindi naman talaga ako introvert. I'm an extrovert person. Pero ginawa ko yung example, yung introvert, kasi sometimes yun yung worry ng ibang nag-a-apply freelancer. Nahihiya sila or tahimik sila. Pero come to think of it, yung introvert, convert natin siya into positive, na sinabi natin, naging transparent lang tayo kay client, na even we're introvert, we are willing to learn, coachable, and teachable. So, sa strength, of course, lahat naman tayo siguro masasagot yon. Ako, personally, I'm always saying I'm a team player. And I'm sure naman kung kilala nyo ako, alam nyo naman na maaasahan tayo, pwede naman tayo magtulungan, and even other department, magiging beneficial kapag team player tayo. Right?